Life is not easy, not even close. There are going to be challenges. You're going to get beat down. That's the way life is. You see, sometimes you put a mask on your face, pretending everything's fine. But when you go home, when you lay down in bed, when no one's watching, when you don't have to impress anybody, that's when fear creeps in. Maybe you don't know what's coming next. Maybe you're scared of the future. And that fear, it paralyzes you. So let me ask you something today. Do you think you still have hope? Because at some point, everything's going to go south on you. Everything. And you'll find yourself saying, this is it. This is how it ends. But here's the truth. You can either accept that, or you can get to work. That's all it is. You begin. You start. You do the math. You solve one problem, then the next one. Because it doesn't matter how many times life knocks you down. That's going to happen. What matters is that you get back up. You have to get up. Whatever you're facing right now, it hasn't come to stay. It has come to pass. Sometimes you've got to step back, go within yourself, pray, meditate, recharge your batteries, go away, clear your head, and then come back and look at it from a different angle. Don't act while you're under the spell of chaos. Don't let your emotions control you. Yes, we're emotional beings, but you've got to discipline your emotions. Because if you don't control them, they'll control you. You don't need to motivate yourself to think negatively. You don't need effort to feel down, to drown in guilt or self-doubt. Your mind will do that on autopilot. But if you truly want to step into your greatness, you've got to go against the tide. You've got to harness your will and say, in spite of this, I'm in control here. I'm not going to let this break me. I'm not going to let this destroy me. I'm coming back. You ask yourself, what do you want? And you say, man, I want to be a diamond. But tell me something I don't know. Everybody wants that. The harsh reality, not everyone gets it. But the crazy thing is, if you really want it, you can have it. It's not like somebody's holding a gun to your head saying you can't. Nobody's stopping you. It's a matter of will. It's a matter of hard work, of sacrifice, of dedication, of commitment. The difference isn't in DNA or talent. It's in the person who's willing to get knocked down, tested, pushed to the edge, and still stand back up. The one who perseveres, the one who refuses to say die. Because we already know what's ahead, right? We know the battle will be hard. We know the journey will be long. We know there'll be obstacles. We know they'll try to break us. We know that's coming. So let's decide, before the battle even begins, that we will be victorious. Don't cry to quit. Cry to keep going. Don't cry to give up. Cry because you're still fighting. You're already in pain. You're already hurt. So get something out of it. Because at the end of pain, there is success. You're not going to die from a little pain. You tell yourself, I won't give up. When depression hits you out of nowhere, you look it in the eye and say, I won't give up. There's no guarantee that someone who's down today can't rise tomorrow. No one can guarantee that you won't make it. No one can guarantee that your dream is impossible. Who can tell you you can't do what you want to do? No one. Because truth is, you don't even know yet what's possible for your life. If you're willing to go through the battles, if you're willing to fight the storms to get where you want to go, who has the right to stop you? It's your right to listen to your gut. It's your right to chase your destiny. And it's nobody's right to say no after you've earned your place. So every morning, before your feet hit the floor, say it. I am blessed and highly favored. I don't care if you're sick. I don't care what you're going through. If you're not dead, He's not done with you yet. As long as you're waking up, you're still in the game. As long as you're alive, you can still make it happen. As long as there's breath in your lungs, you're still in the game. You still can win. Now get your butt up and fight for your life.